playback and view the videos you shot, just hit the button on the left. It shows it ticking away. If you want to move to the next one, go to the right. This is 1 of 3, 2 of 3, 3 of 3. Well, I want to view the middle one. Hit that button, the arrow. If you want that one deleted, so you have 2 of 3, 3 of 3. Let's say you want the third one deleted. The garbage can. Push the button once, and you gotta press it again. So it gives it a warning. If you want all of it deleted, now there's 2 left. Video 1 and 2. If you want both of them gone, you hold down the button, the garbage can, for 3 seconds. And then hit it again. All the videos deleted.